If you want your partner to love only you, if you don't want your partner to give his attention to other women, if you want your partner to focus only on you, then this video is for you, okay? Because in this video, I will share with you what you should do to make your partner love only you. Your boyfriend, your man, your husband, if you want to make them love only you, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in this video, I will share with you what you can do to make them love only you, okay? But if you know that you don't love your partner, you don't want to spend the rest of your life with them, there is no need of you doing this assignment, okay? Yes, if you know that you don't love them, you don't want to stay with them for long, there is no need of you doing this assignment, because this works. This spiritual assignment I'm about to share with you works. It works very well, okay? So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Gideon. By the special grace of God, I share spiritual tip here in this channel. Do well to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching, and I promise you that you will never regret subscribing to this channel, okay? For those that want their partner to love only them, if you don't want your partner to give his attention or her attention to another person, this video is what you should do, okay? Now, there are materials that you need to have to carry out this spiritual assignment, which I'll be showing you in this video, okay? I'll be showing you the materials. Number one, you need to get a white piece of paper. This is a love spell, okay? You need to get a white piece of paper. Now, when you get this white piece of paper, you are going to write your name, the name of your partner, their names in full and your names in full, okay? You are going to write it on that white piece of paper together, okay? Now you are going to buy a red thread, okay? And you are going to buy 2 candles, white image candle, a man and a woman, okay? 2 image candles. That is what you are going to buy, okay? Now, after you must have gotten all these items ready, now you are going to fold that white piece of paper that you have written the name of that your partner. You are going to fold it together, okay? You're going to fold it together and place it in front of the 2 candles, okay? Then in front of the 2 candles, then use the 2 candles together, like you close them together. Then you are going to be tying the 2 candles together with the red rope, okay? Let me show you. You are going to tie it together with the red thread, okay? You are going to tie the 2 candles together, okay? You are going to tie it together like this. You can see it very well. Yeah, you are going to tie it together, okay? Now, after you must have finished tying it together, you are going to call the name of your partner 7 times. You call your own name 7 times. You say what you want. You declare the words you want. This spiritual assignment, you are going to do it at night, not in the daytime, starting from 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock. That is a time frame for you to do this spiritual assignment. Wherever your partner is, if he's in abroad, if he is in any country or any city, once you have finished doing this assignment, they will never ever think of any other person than you, okay? This is a powerful love spell, okay, to bind you and your partner together. You should know that you really love this person. You should know that you don't love this person. Don't do this assignment, okay? Now, after tying all these candles together with the red rope, we are going to burn it that night. Burn the candles together with that paper, okay? As the candle is burning, be calling the name of that your partner wherever he is. Be commanding him to focus only on you, okay? To love only on you. Let his mind or her mind be only on you, okay? That no other person will take him or her away from you. This is what will be said as you are burning that white candle, okay? You wait until that candles burn down, okay? Before you can be able to, turn back and go your way, okay? You are only going to do this once at night, starting from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, okay? That is when you are going to do this if you really want your partner to love only you, okay? This is a powerful love spell that you should practice by yourself and you see it working, okay? So that is what I want to share with you guys, for those that want their partner to love only them. do this assignment by yourself and see the testimony that will come after it. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you want to subscribe to it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, by the special grace of God, we never regret subscribing. See you guys in my next video. Bye.